Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So there is one update about the Indian Institute of Technology Madras. The shortlist for IIT Madras is out. So if we consider the overall eligibility criteria, then you must have completed your graduation with minimum 60% marks for the general category candidates. And if we consider for the reserve category candidates, then there is a 5% relaxation is given. So you must have 55% marks or above in your graduation. If you are in final year, then also you are eligible to apply for this college. Then the valid score in the CAT is required, and the IIT graduates who have obtained a CGPA of 8 and above on 10 do not require the CAT score. Now if we consider the overall admission process, then there are two stages. Like first is the shortlisting process and second is the final selection. So if we consider the shortlisting process, so in that the composite score will be calculated on the basis of the various parameters, like on the basis of your CAT score, on the basis of your past academic performance, your work experience is also considered, your academic diversity and gender diversity. On that basis the composite score is calculated. So if we consider the overall composite score calculation, then in that 75% weightage is given to your CAT score, 3% weightage is given to the gender diversity, then 2% weightage is given to the academic diversity and 5% weightage is given to the degree. So if you are a female candidate, you will be given with the 3 points. If you are from a non-engineering academic background, then you will be given with the 2 points. And if your percentage of degree ranges in between 85 to 90, then for that there are 4 points. If it is in between 80 to 85, for that there are 3 points. If it is in between 75 to 80, for that there are 2 points. If it is in between 70 to 75, for that there are 1 point. And if it is more than 90, for that there are 5 points. Then if we consider your 10% weightage, then if your marks are 90% or more than that, for that there are 2 points. Then if your percentage ranges in between 80 to 90, then for that there is 1 point. Then if we consider the overall score for the 12th standard, then if your 12th percentage are 90% or more than that, for that there are 3 points. If your percentage are in between 85 to 90, then for that there are 2 points. If it is in between 80 to 85, for that there is 1 point. Now if we consider the overall work experience which has 10% weightage, so if your work experience is more than 48 months, for that there are 2 points. If it is in between 12 to 23 months, for that there are 8 points. If it is in between 24 to 36 months, for that there are 10 points. And if it is in between 37 to 48 months, for that there are 6 points. So on this basis the overall composite score is calculated and the shortlisting process is done. Now if we consider the final selection criteria, then in the final selection criteria, your reflective writing and personal interview score is considered, your overall composite score is considered, and if you have other achievements, then the score of that is also considered. Now coming to the batch profile for IIT Madras, so there are overall 67 candidates, and out of 67 candidates, there are 71.6% candidates are the male candidates and 28.4% candidates are the female candidates. So if we consider the average work experience, then it is of 3 years. So if we consider the educational background, then there are 83% candidates are from the engineering background, 9% candidates have the commerce, business administration as an academic background, 6% candidates are from the science background, and 2% candidates have the academic background other than this. If we consider it in terms of work experience, then there are 14.9% candidates have the work experience of 4 years or more than that. 31.4% candidates have the work experience in between 0 to 1 years. 16.4% candidates have the work experience in between 1 to 2 years. 19.4% candidates have the work experience in between 2 to 3 years. And 17.9% candidates have the work experience in between 3 to 4 years. If we consider the domain-wise work experience, then the candidates have the work experience in the finance and BFSI, operations, energy, IT, retail, consulting, manufacturing and defense. Now coming to the placements for IIT Madras, so the highest CTC offered with this college, it is nearly up to 30.6 lakhs per annum. The average CTC offered with this college, it is nearly up to 20.19 lakhs per annum. Then there are top 10% candidates are with the average salary package of 29.30 lakhs per annum. Top 25% candidates are with the average salary package of 26.96 lakhs per annum, and top 50% candidates are with the average salary package of 24.03 lakhs per annum. Now if we consider the domain-wise placements, then there were 29.7% placements were from the analytics, 24.3% placements were from the finance, 25.7% placements were from the general management, 8.1% placements were from the marketing, and 12.2% placements were from the operations and supply chain. And if we consider the roles offered, then for analytics, the roles offered were associate consultant, data scientist, data science analyst, and business analyst. For finance, assistant manager, associate advisor, and management trainee. For marketing, product analyst, deputy brand manager, and management trainee. For general management, assistant manager, future leader trainee, lead consultant, and project management. For operations and supply chain management, product supply manager, supply chain analyst, and management trainee. So these were the roles offered in the particular domain. Now if we consider the placements for the MS 2021-2023, then the highest salary package offered with this, it is nearly up to 21.60 lakhs per annum, and the average CTC offered with this college, it is nearly up to 19.31 lakhs per annum. So the roles offered with this are analyst and data scientist. Then if we consider the Tech MBA for the batch of 2021 and 2023, then the highest CTC offered is 22 lakhs per annum, and the average CTC offered is 18.9 lakhs per annum. So there are top 10% candidates are with the average salary package of 22 lakhs per annum. Top 25% candidates are with the average salary package of 22 lakhs per annum, and top 50% candidates are with the average salary package of 21.35 lakhs per annum. If we consider the domain-wise placements, then there were 33.3% placements were from the operations, 55.6% placements were from the analytics, and 11.1% placements were from the general management. And if we consider the roles offered, then those were data analyst, data scientist, and associate consultant. Now if we consider the overall top recruiters for the IIT Madras, then those are Accenture, Dell, Xavier Technologies, ICICI Bank, IBM, IndiaMart, HSBC, Deloitte, Cisco, Bank of America, McKinsey & Company, Morgan Stanley, and there are so many companies are over there. So this is all about the IIT Madras. If you have any doubts, any queries in this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.